Hi, I'm Aneesa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeet Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're here in the Offbeet Kitchen and I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for an easy lentil salad. For the recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I have grainy mustard here, which I love. 1 tablespoon of tamari, that's going to add some umami flavor to the dish. 2 tablespoons of a light balsamic vinegar or a red wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This is where you want to use your good quality olive oil. 1/3 of a cup of finely chopped red onions or shallots. 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 to 2 chopped tomatoes, half a cup of chopped olives, 1 full cucumber chopped in nice bite-sized pieces, and some lentils. Here we've got black lentils that I'll be using. This is 1 cup's worth of dried lentils cooked. And then we've got some black pepper and salt to taste. Now I'm going to start off with making the vinaigrette. So I'm going to start with my very lovely Dijon mustard. I'm using 1 tablespoon here. And feel free to be generous with that mustard because it is lovely and gives it a great flavor. Then I will do 1 tablespoon of my soy sauce. Actually, I'm using tamari here, but you could also use soy sauce if you don't have tamari on hand. Next, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of my vinegar. And I've got my good quality olive oil. This is where you want to bring the good quality olive oil out because it's going to make a real difference to the flavor. And then the last part is our balancing flavor, which is coming from our maple syrup. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a mix. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my vinaigrette, and it's a little chunky and that's totally okay. I'm going to go ahead and add it into my bowl of cooked lentils. And as I said, I'm using black lentils here, but you could certainly use other types of lentils, like green lentils would work really well here too as well. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a mix through. So this is all of this nice flavoring. And when you're making your lentils, you can feel free to flavor them up as well a little bit. You can do things like adding a little bit of broth to your lentil cooking mixture or liquid. I actually didn't do that today. I instead just added a little bit of bay leaf and that was about it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my cucumbers, my nice chopped cucumbers, to bulk out the salad and give it great texture and flavor and freshness. Adding in my tomatoes and my olives. So I'm going to mix this through. And one of the things I love to do with this salad is I really love serving it on top of a bed of spring mix, so like a variety of different greens to make it like a lovely salad and give it the salad some bulk. It adds protein, fiber, all the good stuff. So now I'm going to give it a taste to see if I need to add anything to round out the flavor, so any of these items here or my salt and pepper. That is so good. Honestly, you don't even need the black pepper because it has a spiciness from the mustard. It just depends on the mustard you're using, but you may want to add it to yours. I think it's perfect. And this is how I like to serve the salad over a bed of greens. And I do like to top it with a little extra drizzle of olive oil. And that's a perfect lunch. Well, I'm going to go enjoy this lunch. If you're interested in seeing what other meals I have in a day, please do check out our What I Eat in a Day video that we'll have linked below. As always, we appreciate your support. We'd love it if you'd stay, subscribe, and share, and also leave any feedback that you may have, especially about video ideas. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.